Mohammad Hasnain is 21 years old, out of Pakistan, the youngest to take a hat-trick in international T20s.
Stumped.
Here he goes. First ball in the BBL, and he was fine.
The one thing, the batters haven't seen him either. Give him the new ball, fix his nerves.
Oh, well, that is a wonderful pickup, but he has his maiden BBL wicket, Mohammad Hasnain, with only his second ball. I remember. Oh, that is good. That looks really good. 2 in 2. How easy is the big bash, says Mohammad Hasnain. Spotless getting right behind him. Here we go, the youngster. Oh, well, it was on the stumps. That's a good start.
What
a take! Ben cutting to his left. Mohammad Hasnain really over. This has got to be one of the best debuts of all time, surely. Here he comes. Crowd behind him. Oh, it's a beauty. Oh my word. Mohammad Hasnain has launched himself into the BBL in some style. 3 wickets. It's a triple wicket maiden, 3 for 25.